Hello everyone, my name is Bahadur Mori and I am an English and SS teacher in Sahajanan English Medium School 8 Natejunda. And this is the last part of this chapter, right? First chapter, Standard 10, first chapter, Heritage of India, right? In the all the previous video we already learnt about what is meaning of heritage, cultures, natural heritage, culture heritage, right? And we are what are the people came to India and settled down. As you know that what is meaning of heritage? That heritage that means the precious, very precious gift which is given by our forefather, right? That we called heritage. So that given by our forefather and whatever the given by our forefather very precious gift that is called heritage and culture that means way of life and how we live, how we behave, all the things which is culture, right? So all the point we already taught meaning of culture. Culture means a way of life. Heritage means a valuable gift from our forefathers, right? And as we know, the India is a very historical country and very very heritage country. So we have lots of examples in our country that we can say India is a very heritage prosperous country. So in the previous part, we already talked about natural heritage of India, landscape, river, vegetation, wildlife, culture heritage of India. What is exactly cultures are there in India, right? And the culture heritage of Gujarat. Also we taught because we are in the Gujarat, so we have to learn about it. And what are the fair of Gujarat that we already taught, right? And which are the people? Yeah, they come to India and settle down over here, mingling like as Indians. That we already taught. Land and people, the Negrotic, Astronoid, Dravidians, other tribes, and Alpine, Dinaric, Arnamoid, the Aryans, right? Those all the people we how they come to India, where from they came, all the things we already taught, right? So this now we reach to in the last point of this chapter. See, I just want to one thing to all students. ये जो चैप्टर है ये डेफिनेशन है व्हाट इज कल्चर व्हाट इज हेरिटेज व्हाट आर द पीपल कम टू इंडिया राइट and then after the next chapter you will understand what exactly what kind of heritage we have and how they built and who built them, right? So these all the question in your mind that will be answered in our next chapter, right? So now I going to read our last point of this chapter, preservation and conservation of heritage. उसका मतलब ये होता है कि हम इसकी कैसे संभाल कर सकते हैं, उसको कैसे हम सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो ये वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट है हाउ बिकॉज इन द एवरी कंट्री शुड प्रिजर्वेशन एंड शुड कंजर्वेशन टू देयर हेरिटेज प्लेसेस. Our culture, our belief, our worship, they also our heritage. It's a part of the culture heritage. Our monuments, our buildings, our forts, our cities, our other incident, there's also our heritage places, right? So that we already learnt about it. Now I'm going to how we can preservation and conservation of heritage. So I'm going to read this chapter. So please listen carefully. Use your hands, please. Each aspect of Indian heritage made India eye-catching, picturesque and attractive. See, every aspect of the Indian heritage, we have lots of heritage places, right? And the people who came from outside, they attract more because we have a precious heritage places like Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, many temples, many lake, right? Many wall, many things that we have that the tourists come to India for they want to watch and they want to they want to know about that particular place history. तो वो जो सारी चीज़ें हैं वो पीपल को अट्रैक्ट करती है. हेरिटेज ब्रॉट ग्लोरी टू द नेशन, ये सही बात है कि हेरिटेज वो देश के लिए ग्लोरी लाता है, एक ग्लोरी लाता है. India attained a leading position in the world by keeping its rich heritage protected and preserved. देखो India is attained a leading position in the world. India have a leading position that comparison to world we have lots of heritage places. And that heritage place we now preserve it, now we conserve it. ठीक है. Thus, it is the primary and precious duty to every citizen of India to see that nobody harm the ancient memorials, and also to preserve the places having a historical importance and values. In our constitutions, the fundamental duties of Indian citizen are mentioned in the article. Please underline this one, 51A. So which thing mentioned in the article 51A? तो you will write, आप यहाँ से underline करो, in our constitution. आप यहाँ से underline कर लेना कि यहाँ से it is our primary and precious duty of every citizen. यहाँ से underline start कर दो. It is our primary and precious duty of every citizen of India to see that nobody harm the ancient memorials, and also to preserve places having a historical importance and values. जो भी हमारे हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस है, वैल्यूज प्लेसेस है, उसको हमें देखना, कोई इस पर नुकसान ना करे, कोई इस पर कोई उसके साथ कुछ हार्मफुल थिंग्स ना करे, एंड हम भी ना करें. ये जो प्रिजर्वेशन के जो थॉट्स है और जो फंडामेंटल राइट्स है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भी दिया गया है. ऑल्सो मेंशन इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दिस इन द आर्टिकल 51A में. ठीक है, ये चीज़ आप याद रखना. देन इन दैट 6, 7 and 9 डिस्क्राइब द फॉलोइंग ड्यूटीज एंड regarding the conservation of heritage and the preservation of heritage, which kind of in the कौन से आर्टिकल्स में डिस्क्रिप्ट दिए गए हैं वो यहाँ पे. So in that 6, 7 and 9 describe the following duties. So which are the duties of as a human, as an Indian, according to our heritage places. So describe the following duties for preservation of our culture heritage. So which are the our duties for preservation of our culture heritage. ये हमारी ड्यूटी है. कौन सी? According to our constitution, they are given below. You have to memorize all the 3 points are important to understand the importance of our harmonious culture and prosperous and preserve. देखो इसमें ये कहा गया है कि आपको समझना पड़ेगा ये बात को कि जो हमारे हार्मोनियस कल्चर है, जो बहुत ही अद्भुत और जो एकता एकदम मैंने डिसिप्लिन के क्या बोलते हैं, हार्मोनियस यानी तालबद्ध, सुरबद्ध जो होता है, अच्छे से सुनना पड़ता है, अच्छा वाला कल्चर है. ठीक है. और प्रोस्पेरिट यानी बहुत ही प्रोस्पेरिट है, और उसको हमें उसको प्रिजर्व करना है, उसको सुरक्षा देनी है, उसको सुरक्षित रखना है. मेंटेन द फॉरेस्ट, टैंक, रिवर, पॉन्ड and the wild animal and bird, along with the maintaining the natural environment, and to solve the competition for all the living creatures. हमें सभी लिविंग क्रिएचर जो है, जो फॉरेस्ट है, टैंक है, रिवर है, पॉन्ड्स है, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स है, उन सभी को केयर करनी है, सबकी उसके सामने अच्छे से उसके साथ अच्छे बिहेव करना है, उसका कोई हार्मफुल थिंक नहीं करनी है, वो कहते हैं इस पेरेग्राफ में. और थर्ड लाइन में है the protection of public property and giving up violence are also including in it. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी की भी प्रोटेक्शन हमें करनी है, जो दूसरों की पब्लिक की प्रॉपर्टी है, जैसे कि गवर्नमेंट ट्रेन है, बसेज है, गवर्नमेंट गार्डन है, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल कॉलेज है, ये भी पब्लिक की प्रॉपर्टी है. जो भी सॉरी फॉर दैट जो भी पब्लिक की प्रॉपर्टी होती है, गवर्नमेंट की इंश्योर जो जिस डायरेक्टली गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू होता है, जो सभी के लिए अवेलेबल होता है, वो भी हमें प्रोटेक्ट करने का इसके अंडर में आता है. Thus, nature has created a beautiful landscape. We should maintain the purity and sanctity and beauty, right? Sanctity and beauty. So we have to preserve all the things which is available in this landscape, our culture, our heritage places, landscape, river, forest, all the things very precious and right. So we have to care about it. We should follow the rules according to our constitutions, and we have to maintain the discipline of nature. ये हमारी ड्यूटी है. Then of these places considered to be our moral duty. Yes, these are our moral duty. These are our moral duty. ये हमारा कर्तव्य है, ये हमें करना चाहिए. The Indian heritage is an outcome of the development of people of India over a long period of time. Nature has generously donated abundant prosperity to India. देखो नेचर ने तो भरपूर दिया है इंडिया को, आपको पता है. We have lots of river, माउंटेन्स, सी है, फॉरेस्ट है, बर्ड्स है, एनिमल्स स्पीसीज है, स्क्रिप्चर है, लैंड है, एवरीथिंग दैट नेचर वाइज our India got many things. Our India having many things. So we have to get advantage and we have to preserve them, all the things. India achieved an invaluable opportunity in all the field for gradual development due to the Indians' peculiar nature structure, right? आपको पता है कि बिकॉज ऑफ द नेचुरल हेरिटेज इन द एंशिएंट टाइम इंडिया हैविंग अनकम्पेरेबल पोजीशन इन द वर्ल्ड. कोई भी कंट्री हमारे साथ उसकी कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकती थी. दैट्स काइंड ऑफ पोजीशन दैट वी हैड. So but nowadays we are not care about our natural heritage, culture heritage, our forest, lake, river, our resources that we use very immensely. We have no control, very disorder with doing things. It is not a good. So in the last point, in this way, the Indian heritage is a result of the development of people of India in the social, economic, political, and cultural field over centuries. इन दिस वे हम कह सकते हैं कि द इंडियन हेरिटेज इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पीपल. जो इंडियन हेरिटेज है वो पीपल के डेवलपमेंट का रिजल्ट है. पीपल जो डेवलप होते गए मेंटली एंड सब दूसरी जगह सोचने के जो तरीका उसका चेंज हुआ, उसकी वजह से इंडिया का हेरिटेज डेवलप हुआ ऑफ इंडिया. इन द सोशली वो डेवलप हुआ, इकोनॉमिकली डेवलप हुआ, पॉलिटिकली भी डेवलप हुआ, कल्चर का जो फील्ड है उसमें भी बहुत डेवलप हुआ. So such is a very interesting chapter. This one, now this chapter is finished and please student do exercise all the question answers from your side through the digest. Yeah, you will get all answer from this textbook. Definitely if you use your mind and written every line, so definitely you will get the all answer, right? And if further need, so please you can tell me. Now I just want to something recall you. In this chapter we talked about culture. What is a culture? कल्चर क्या होता है? कल्चर होता है हमारा वे ऑफ लाइफ. हम कैसे जीते हैं, किस तरह का पहनावा पहनते हैं, कैसे किस बिलीव करते हैं, वर्शिप, ट्रेडिशनल्स, ये सारा कल्चर होता है जो हमारे फोर फादर ने हमें दिया है. अवर एंसेस्टर गिवन टू अस एंड वी जस्ट फॉलो वॉट एवर द कम्युनिटी वी बिलोंग्स, राइट? वी जस्ट फॉलो दैट पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, राइट? And believe in all that religions, all the Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, all the believe there according to their religions. That is culture. हिज वे ऑफ लाइफ, उसके जीने का तरीका. हेरिटेज यानी द वेरी प्रीशियस गिफ्ट फ्रॉम आवर फोर फादर. हमारे जो पूर्वजों ने हमें जो गिफ्ट दिए है ना, वो होता है हेरिटेज. जैसे कि ताजमहल है, कुतुब मीनार है, रेड फोर्ट है, टेम्पल्स है, ठीक है, लेक है, रिवर्स है, जो काफ़ी सारे जो हमारे बिकॉज ऑफ आवर फोर फादर, ठीक है, दे बिल्ट दैम. सो दैट इज़ आवर हेरिटेज. दैट हेरिटेज एंड कल्चर हेरिटेज दैट वी हैव टू कंजर्व इट, प्रिजर्व इट. दिस इज़ आवर मोरल ड्यूटी. हमारे आर्टिकल्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भी दिया गया है, ठीक है. आर्टिकल 51A और 6, 7 और 9 के हिसाब से वी हैव टू दिस इज आवर मोरल ड्यूटी कि हमें इसको प्रिजर्व और कंजर्वेशन करना है, उस पर कोई नुकसान नहीं करना है. सो दिस वन इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर. जस्ट रिकॉल द एवरी लाइन्स एंड रिविजन मोर एंड ट्राई मेक द डेफिनेशन. आई ऑल्सो गिव यू अंडरलाइन व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ द कल्चर हेरिटेज, नेचुरल हेरिटेज. What are the people came to India, settle down, and I also told the every lines how to you will do, right? In the previous chapter, very long section that was. So please do more. Please watch it again, so then you can get more and write down every point definition in your pair book. Clear? So I hope this is a very short video because this is the end of this chapter. So and I hope you got every point from my side. Please stay home, take care of yourself. Right, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and do study hard. Right, we will meet according to our timetable, and we will upload next video according to our timetable. Next chapter, right? We will continue with chapter number 2 of this chapter. Our next chapter will be this one: culture heritage of India and traditional and handicraft and fine arts. Culture heritage क्या है? What is culture? What is heritage? That meaning. Now you got it, right? What is definition of culture or heritage now of India? Now what are the traditional handicraft and fine arts? वो उसके बारे में we will learn in the next session, next video session, right? So please stay home, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.